Let's be fair, if you had the option for both earning small amounts of money and earning large amounts of money, which would you choose? Of course, you'd choose the latter. But who are we kidding? This is just as trying to be practical, right? With the money we'll be receiving, we'll be able to pay our bills and live our lives. However, large sums are required to sustain our way of life as well as the lives of our friends and family. Not only that, but with these large earnings, we can help our immediate family and possibly relatives in need. Speaking of huge, today's method will make us a lot of money. And this isn't a joke. I mean, with this simple strategy that I will show you today, you can literally make a lot of money. Consider receiving a notification on your phone while earning that large sum of money stating that another amount has been credited to your account. This is the payment, my friend. We will now be able to earn money through commissions in addition to the large sums of money that we will be able to earn through the method. Remember, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that only a few people are aware of. So make sure to put in your best effort to this method if you want to make money. Okay, fine. By the way, this method is completely free and available to anyone and anywhere in the world. So you don't have to be concerned about the method's limitations because it is available to everyone. And I'm really excited to show you this because you won't need any technical knowledge to do it. You won't need a social media following, nor will you be selling anything. This method is tried and true, and it is ideal for beginners. So come on in, and I'll show you how it's done. But first, welcome to Money Intelligence, where we show you how to make money online in the simplest way possible. Please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime we release a new video on how to make money online, you will be the first to know and you will be able to start making things happen right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Please don't be shy about leaving a comment down below if you have any concerns, questions, or thoughts regarding the video. Let's get back to the video now, shall we now? Now, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through a very simple step-by-step process for properly doing this. So stick with me. To get things started, let's visit Upleap.com. Basically, this platform allows you to buy Instagram followers and grow your account faster, as advertised right here, to put a stop to you. We will not use this service on this platform, but it is a part of our strategy for today. As a result, I'd like you to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website and look for the Learn section, which includes the Affiliates button. You will be directed to this website after clicking, where you can learn more about the Upleap affiliate program. You can see it right now. As you can see, it says here that you can help others grow their Instagram audience faster while also earning commissions. So today's method will revolve around the promotion of Upleap services in which you get other people to buy their services in your name so that you could be credited with commissions. We'll make a lot of money if we follow these steps. The steps can be seen right here. Step 1 is to sign up as a free affiliate. As I previously stated, this method is ridiculously incredibly free. Step 2 is to create your own unique URL, which you can then share with others. Step 3 is to get your URL in front of as many people as possible. Later in this video, I'll demonstrate a technique in which we'll show the link to the fourth and final step, which is to get paid while employing this strategy. In essence, you'll make a lot of money and a large percentage of every purchase made by your affiliate. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's return to the video. They have a lot to offer, as you can see from the packages listed here. And because the service is quite affordable for customers, it will not be difficult to sell it to individuals who want it. I mean, the earning potential of this method is limitless. Upleap will pay you a large percentage commission for each customer who purchases a monthly plan, which will also be paid monthly. Consider that you only have a few hours to work. After that, you'll be paid for months, if not years. I'm telling you, there's a lot of money to be made here. It's difficult to believe that you can earn enough money to last a year by working just a few hours per week. On your personal Upleap dashboard, you can also keep track of all of your subscriptions and earnings. If the person you referred purchases a package, Upleap will pay you directly. When you've returned to the platform, scroll down to the bottom and click on Affiliates, then become an affiliate. When you click it, this page will appear. You can sign up here, fill out the required information, and you'll be an Upleap affiliate in no time. Now that you have your account and your custom link, the next step is to share the link with others on the platform I'm about to show you. Assuming you already have a script in place for selling or promoting Upleap services, along with your affiliate link. We'll then copy and paste it into my favorite website, Quora.com. But first, if you still don't have a script for your spiel, all you have to do is search for selling spiels on Google. And if you want to sell scripts, it will give you numerous examples of how to sell anything you want to sell. Now we'll move on to Quora. This platform is essentially a questions forum where people can ask questions. There are many people and they have a lot of questions. And by a lot, I mean a lot. Give it a name. It's on Quora. As a result, this is an excellent way to promote your custom link. For example, a person might look up how to boost Instagram followers. When you press the search button, Quora will then show you all of the related questions and forums that are relevant to your query. Because there are so many people interested in this topic, our custom link is in high demand for those who truly want to grow their Instagram with the right amount of money. And, once again, if someone purchases a package, you will receive large commissions that can last for months or years. This is a potential passive income stream from which you will be able to support your lifestyle and basic needs. Now let's look at one of these posts about how to grow your Instagram followers, and you'll see that the question has answers. This is where we'll make our move now. We're just going to click on these questions after you've written the script, basically saying that they need the service as well as a custom link to grow their Instagram followers. And by clicking on that link, they are assured of increased growth on their specific channels. Your response to their questions will be more meaningful than the others because you are providing them with value and a direct solution to their problem of increasing Instagram followers. You can repeat this method for each question by simply pasting your script along with your affiliate link. Now that's out of the way, all you have to do is sign up for Quora, which you can do by clicking here. You can log in with your Google or Facebook account, or you can register with just your email and then provide the necessary details for it to be processed successfully. Now that you've created an account, all you have to do is copy and paste your spiel into every Instagram follower boosting query. Because there are thousands of viewers interested in the same thing, this will generate a substantial passive income stream, increasing their Instagram followers. Overall, this is a no-brainer for any beginner. Simply become an Upleap agent and write a simple script explaining why they require the service to improve their Instagram. Sign up for Quora, then copy and paste the script into any forum thread about growing Instagram followers. And there you have it, passive income. This has been Money Intelligence. Please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.